This web tutorial is going to show you how to use Google Lit Trips on Chromebooks using Google Maps Engine or MyMaps. First thing you need to do is you need to find the Google Lit Trip you want. Now, one of the problems with the Chromebook is that Google Earth does not run on Chromebooks. So we need a little workaround for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Grapes of Wrath and I'm going to Google Lit Trips. You can find Google Lit Trips that have been made for all sorts of different stories. Anyway, I'll select Download Grapes of Wrath, and it's going to ask me to complete the survey. Now, I just completed the survey, and it's taken me to this site that has some different books that you can download for Google Lit Trips. I'm going to go ahead and I'm, like I said, going to use the Grapes of Wrath, and I'll download the KMZ file. Now, unfortunately, KMZ files cannot be opened in MyMaps. So what we need to do is we're going to actually have to open this up in Google Earth first. And if we go to Google Earth, I'm going to File, and I'm going to select Open, and I'm going to go to my Downloads, and right here I have my Grapes of Wrath KMZ file. Now, you'll see in Google Earth that I have Grapes of Wrath that's appeared here, and if I check it, you'll see the lit trip that's appeared. I'm going to kind of orient this map. So you'll see that there's a map that's been created with place markers all the way from Oklahoma out to California, right? This is tracking movement of the story. So what we're going to need to do, if you open up the whole file, and you can select all the different locations, and you'll notice that there are notes for students that have been created. Now, not all Google Lit Trips are exactly in the same format, but the idea is that they all show movement of a story on a map. However, we can't open this KMZ file in MyMaps on a Chromebook. It's not supported. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we're going to click on the Grapes of Wrath, the KMZ file, and I'm going to right-click. Now that's going to be different on whatever device you're using. Chromebook, well, Chromebook it won't work because you can't run Google Earth. But on a MacBook it's Control-click. And what we're going to do is we're going to save this place as. And we're going to change this. It's going to say Grapes of Wrath, but we're going to change this to from a KMZ file, and we're going to change it to a KML file. KML files are supported in MyMaps. So we'll go ahead and we'll hit save. And oops, we'll take that off right there, and we'll go ahead and hit save. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to go type in Maps Engine Lite, or you can type in MyMaps, which is the new name, and we're going to create a new map. Now, this is supported on a Chromebook, and at this point, students can take that file and actually load it in here, or you as a teacher can load it and share this document with your students individually or as an entire class. So we have our new map. We're going to title it, and this is going to be called Grapes of Wrath Lit Trip, and we're going to hit save. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to import, and what we're going to import is we're going to import that KML file. And so you'll see that I have right here Grapes of Wrath KML, and I'll go ahead and open it here. It's going to take just a couple moments, and what you'll see is now that Google Lit Trip Tour of the Grapes of Wrath appearing on my map. And you'll see I have all the same place markers, and I can select them. Now they do come in and look a little bit different in terms of the format, but all the content is still there. So this is a really great way that you can use tours that were designed for Google Earth with MyMaps or Maps Engine, so you can use those maps on a Chromebook which does not support Google Earth. This map is totally interactive. You can click on anything, you can click on all the links down here, and then you can go ahead and you can share that map. And if you want to share it, you can share it individually just like any other Google Doc, or you can share it with your entire class. Well, good luck, and have a great day.